Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a reshuffling the cabinet and shifting around in other roles in the Holness administration.
Just as the nation was digesting new details about the scandals at Petrojam, Jamaica House announced moments ago that Prime Minister Andrew Holness has passed the energy portfolio he has held for the past 6 months to Favour Williams.
Ms. Williams will assume her responsibilities tomorrow, not only taking on energy but science and technology as well. TVJ's Herman Green has more in this report.
Effective Thursday, February 14, Favour Williams will leave her post in the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service and take a new position as the Minister of Energy, Science and Technology. The announcement came in a press release from the Office of the Prime Minister late Wednesday afternoon. In July last year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness assumed responsibility for the Energy Ministry following the resignation of Dr. Andrew Wheatley amid the Petrojam scandal. But even as issues and scandals continue to rock the entity, the Prime Minister in a press release stated, quote, "We have come a far way. I am therefore confident that with the changes set in motion, I can now refocus my attention and effort on other pressing areas of the government," end quote. The reshuffle will also see Minister of State in the Ministry of Education and Information, Floyd Green, being reassigned to the Ministry of Industry, Commerce and Agriculture. He will be replaced by Minister of State in the Ministry of Sports and Culture, Orlando Terrelong, in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information. Permanent Secretary in the Justice Ministry, Carol Palmer, will be assigned to the Ministry of Energy, Science and Technology. Permanent Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister, Sanchia Bennett Templar, will be assigned to the Justice Ministry. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Audrey Sewell, will take up an additional assignment at the Office of the Prime Minister. Herman Green, TVJ News.